This is exactly how I make passive income with TikTok. I had little followers, no ad budget, and I didn't have any fancy editing skills. But one simple system turned my videos into sales. And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact steps so you can copy it too. So first off, let's start off what I actually posted on TikTok first. So I was posting 5 to 7 second videos with text over them. And I was able to find good videos. Like this video did 500,000 views, and I was able to find inspiration from looking at other creators in my niche. So like what you want to do is you could just simply just type in whatever your niche is. So let's say I'm doing credit. I would just type in credit and it would show me people who make credit content. And then whatever video performs well, I'll just recreate the video. So let me show you an example of how I did this. Okay, so we're back on my profile now. So as you can see, I'm following 14 people, and actually one of my videos is so good because I actually took inspiration from another creator in my niche. So as you can see, she has millions of views. This video did good, that video did good. And what she does is she just does like random stuff in the background. Like maybe she'll be smiling or maybe she'll be reading a book and then she'll put something interesting in the caption on the text. And then what I did to make this post even better is I noticed that she only had like just a post and she got a lot of views, but she wasn't funneling her traffic to a digital product or anything. So what I did was I put a call to action in my videos. So basically it's the same thing that she did, but as you can see where it says comment Canva and I'll send you the beginner blueprint. So this is how I was able to automatically get a lot more sales to my digital product because I was funneling my traffic to a source. Okay, now that's cool. Now you guys know how I got the traffic, but you guys want to know how I actually made my product that I actually sold. So an easy way that you can make a product is by using Canva. So just go on the dashboard and then what you could do is you could go to create and then go to docs. So the one thing that you guys probably don't know is that Canva has AI too. So you can use Canva's Write AI tool to create a digital product for you, whatever niche that you want. So let's say you're in the fitness space, right? All you have to do is be like, create me a guide list digital product in the fitness space. And then you just press insert and then it's going to insert it for you. So you could edit this around. You press edit and then like you could change the fonts, the templates. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but you can add different pictures to it. You can basically customize it. And then when you're done customizing it and you like what you have, you're just going to go press share, download, and then save it as a PDF standard. You'll just press download. And then there you'll have your digital product ready to sell for TikTok. So now that we have our product made and we have a traffic source, now we have to find a place to actually list it. So you could use things like Gumroad or you can use ClickFunnels. So I'm going to show you both, but let's start with Gumroad first. So first thing you want to do is you just go to new product and just type in the name of your product. So this is just an example, but we'll just put like fitness guide. Price it at like $27. And this is where you put your product description. Whatever your product is helping the customer solve, you're going to want to put that in your product description. So you can use AI to help you write this. So I'll just write something real quick. I'm not going to use AI. This is just a quick example, but you could be like fitness guide with meal plan and workouts. So you can use AI to get more detailed. But then after that, this is where you put the content. Remember that PDF we saved? So you just go to computer files and then you would just put it right here. So this is how they're going to be able to download your digital product. So I would just click save changes. And then this right here is your URL link. So this is what you're going to copy and this is what you're going to put in your bio. So when people are looking at your bio from your videos, this is what they're going to see so they can buy your digital products. All right, so now let's talk about ClickFunnels. So I won't get into too much detail, guys. If you want like a more detailed video on how you can sell digital products with ClickFunnels, make sure to comment down below and I got y'all. But real quick though, let me show you ClickFunnels. So you could like customize different like pages, different sales pages. It's like it's a little bit more advanced than Gumroad, but the thing is you could do a lot more. You can customize a lot more pages. So like for example, with this, I could like change the text, you know, like this. Just a quick example. I could change this. I could remove this. I could change the background. So you could do a lot. You could also add checkout pages with ClickFunnels too. So like it's a lot to get in this video, but it's one of the many things that I use to sell my digital products. Gumroad is good and people do make a lot of money from Gumroad, but it just doesn't have the same ability as things like ClickFunnels. So that's the full breakdown of how I turned TikTok into passive income with no ads, basically no followers, and no fancy setup. It's really just TikTok traffic, a simple landing page, and a product that I made using Canva. That's it. Now here's the thing. If you're watching this and want to try it for yourself, I put together a free training that shows you exactly how to set up the same system step by step. So make sure to check that out. Link will be in the description box below. And if you take anything from this video, remember this. You don't need to wait for followers or run ads to start. You could use the free traffic that social media provides you and use the traffic the smart way. That's literally how I did it.